Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will see how to design a camshaft in Solidworks, and I hope you will enjoy this video and you will learn lots of things from this video. So let's see how to make a camshaft in Solidworks by using Solidworks tools. Let's see. Let's start. At first choose front plane, make it normal and go for sketch. Choose circle and draw two circle here. At first make this to center point vertical. Okay, now choose smart dimension and keep diameter 12.70 and keyframe 25.40. now keep the center point distance 12.70 millimeter. Okay, now select line. Again, now see the both two lines are in tangent relationship. This line is not tangent with this circle, so select them and make them tangent. Now see, this is the tangent relation sign. Okay, now choose trim entities and trim all unnecessary lines. Now our geometry is fully defined. Now from feature choose extruded boss and extruded it up to 7.62 millimeter. Okay, now select this face and from reference geometry select axis. Okay, now see, we got an axis according to this circle and the axis is inside the center point. Okay, now select direct editing. From here move or copy bodies. Select this body. Here choose translate and translate about this axis. Choose here copy, one copy and keyframe the distance minus 60.96 millimeter. Okay, now see, this is our original body and this is our copy body. So we want to rotate this because we need this loop at the lower side. So again choose move or copy bodies and from here select this body, unmark this copy option. From here choose rotate and rotate about this axis and rotate it 180 degree. Okay, now see, now choose front plane again, make it normal and go for a sketch. Select circle and from the center origin point draw a circle here. Choose smart dimension and keep it 19 millimeter. Okay, now from feature choose extruded boss and base. From here select offset. We want to create offset here. Select the distance from where the offset will be start. Keyframe 25.40 millimeter. Okay, change the direction. Now direction 1, keep here blind, put here 146.05 millimeter. Okay, now see the preview, merge result. From here auto select, unmark it, just select these two bodies. Okay, now we want to create another 2 number of this total body, so we need to use linear pattern. From here choose this axis as a direction, keep the distance 145.46.05. okay, 3 number and bodies, select this body. Okay, reverse the direction. Okay, now see, so need some modification here. So from here again select direct editing, choose move and copy bodies. From here at first select this, rotate, select this axis and rotate it about -120 degree. Okay, now see, again move bodies. From here select this body, now rotate about, again select this axis and rotate it about -240 degree. Now see, the cam loop arrangement is perfect. So from here hide this axis, now select this face, go for sketch, select convert entities. Now the outer circle is converted here. From feature choose extruded boss and extruded it up to 24.94 millimeter. Okay, now see, now we need to combine all of these 3 bodies because they are separated from each other. See, so we need to combine them. So from here direct editing, choose combine, make sure that operation type is add box is selected here. Bodies to combine, select all of these 3 bodies. Now show preview, see, they are not separated to each other, now they are combined to each other. Okay, now see, this is our camshaft. So friends, I hope you like this video and you can learn lots of things from this video. So please subscribe my channel to get more videos about SolidWorks and projects, that you can learn more things from my video. So friends, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit comment, like and share. Thank you.